You swipe an email in Gmail, expecting it to archive, delete, or mark it as read, but it does something else instead. On your iPhone 17, Gmail lets you customize exactly what happens when you swipe left or right, so managing your inbox becomes faster and more natural. Here's how to set or change Gmail swipe actions. Open the Gmail app. From the main inbox screen, tap the three lines in the top left corner. Then tap Settings. Under the Inbox section, tap Inbox Customizations. Then tap Mail Swipe Actions. To change what happens when you swipe right on an email, tap Right Swipe. Choose your preferred action, then tap Done. To change the left swipe action, tap Left Swipe. Select the option you want and tap Done to save it. Note that some accounts don't support the archive action. In that case, Gmail will show Trash instead. To test your new settings, return to your Gmail inbox and swipe an email left or right. It will now perform the action you selected. If you ever want to change it again, just return to Settings, go back to Inbox Customizations, and update the swipe actions. And that's it. If this helped you make Gmail easier to use on your iPhone 17, give it a like, and check out our other tutorials to discover more useful features. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.